Okay, friends, we're here at a wine tasting, coincidentally to celebrate the 89th anniversary of Women's Equality Day, when we first got the right to vote. And I'd like to ask what it actually means to each of you, and I'll start with you, former Mayor Sandy Steen. You were an elected official. Tell us what you think, what it had meant to you for women to get the right.
Well, it allowed me not only to vote from the time I turned 21 and vote Republican, but it allowed me to serve in public office for 15 years.
Very good.
It matters.
And, what about you? What
I'm
do
just
you
happy
think?
that allowed me to vote. I registered at 18 years old for Republican.
Well, when I registered, you had to be 21. I'm much older.
I knew right away at 18-year-old I was going to be a Republican.
All right.
Okay.